There he goes. Yeah, I thought. Oh, getting the turbos primed, huh? That thing sounds like it's geared high, taken out in the rear end, but low geared in the tranny. But I'm just a spectator. What do I know? You guys tell me. Mean sounding it. Early in the morning, Saturday morning. I'm trying to wake up, and these guys are already going shooting for 200 miles an hour or better. Even got somebody driving his van down, his stock van down. He's here with the racers. That Trans Am sounds mean, don't it? Here goes the minivan. I think it got up to like 140, if I'm thinking right, yesterday. starting out sounding good. Nice and smooth. Yep, he's going for the mile. $201? 201? 201? Is it 201? Okay. 201 at the mile, man. I knew that thing was sounding good. $201 in that 80s model Trans Am. Course shut down for some reason. It's got the hood off like the old school used to racing. What'd he do? $213? Yep. That's a kicking it. Now this motorcycle wasn't here yesterday. I knew we'd get a few more in yesterday. That's what Steve said. Just don't have the old cars like I like. It's usually here in May and October. Getting her. It's going a good run there. 64 years old and just went almost 190 yesterday. It's the fastest he ever went. But it's a brand new bike. That's his wife right there. 65 years young, man. I can't believe it, man. They're looking good. What'd he do? Great. What? I know, but it's early. Give him time now. Just like a wife. Come on, do faster. Hey, I'm impressed. That's the fastest he's ever went yesterday, so this is the second fastest he ever went. Yeah. Hey, much respect. 65 years young, much respect. This one, you don't, all the cars make sound when the tires are hitting the pavement, but you don't hear it because they're motor and stuff. This Elucid, I think that's how you pronounce it. Lucid, L-U-C-I-D, not Elucid. Why am I putting E in there? He had 4 guys last year go 205, well, May, 205 miles an hour, and one just like this. And they brought another one this time. This one's got different wheels on it, got a little chrome on it. The other one was a darker color. I like this one. But listen when it takes off, guys. All you hear is the wheels turning on the pavement. Not here, I'll be quiet. See what I'm saying? It's not a burnout, but you hear the wheels turning. It's the only thing you hear, man. It's different. It's definitely different. There he goes. Sounding like a good start. Sounds good. Got the car pulled up, got the radio on, got smart today.
Brian Brooks just left the starting line, and he usually runs out to the 2K.
Let's hear what he got to do. Come on.
146.294 at the half.
Cool, cool.
159.744 at the 3/4.
All right.
169.046 at the mile.
Okay, let's hear what he does in
And
2K.
174.486 at the 2K.
Very cool. Stable, Willie. Stable. To break out the tripod. There he goes.
Making the pass.
Yes, he is.
$160.028 at the half.
Cool.
166.420 at the 3/4.
All right.
173.077 at the mile.
Great.
And 173.745 at the 2K.
Cool. There goes the septic truck. Just got done cleaning the Johns outhouses. That's what we call them in the old days, huh? And he's sounding good. Sounding good.
Matt Duran on the go, driving his 22 Suzuki Gixxer.
Come on, buddy. He's shooting for close to 190.
171.821 at the half.
Oh, that's good.
178.784 at the 3/4.
Great.
184.049 at the mile.
Come on, come on.
And 184.653 at the 2K.
Cool. There's the sidekick. Go, buddy. Hear what he did, guys. He is gone.
.164.114 at the half.
164 at the half.
166.605 at the 3/4. 174.014 at the mile. And finishing up at the 2K at 175.850
That's a
at
good
the
run.
2K.
What was that on the back of his?
Huh?
What did he have on the back of that bike?
I didn't pay attention. I was busy.
Like a spoiler or something.
Oh, yeah? I have to pay more attention. Here's his buddy. He'd probably tell you what it is.
What was that sticking off the back of that bike?
I ain't seen him run yesterday or today. It's a little ratty, isn't it? I ain't seen him run. Yeah, that's a new one for me this weekend. Smoking too. I thought I heard him say it's smoking. I think my bike's falling apart. I think that'd be the last thing I'd want to do. Yeah, that top end sounds bad on that. This might be a explosion here or something on the motor. I hope he does all right, but yeah, the top end just sounds really bad on that. Unless there's something in the exhaust to make it sound that way, but to me it sounds like the top end.
Yeah, like the valves are so loose.
Something, yeah. He might be the fastest one yet, though. You never know.
Right.
There he goes. Man, I don't know what they're doing with that speaker, but that's a lot of... It sounds better when he revs it up. See it? See it? You don't hear it. Yeah, you didn't hear it when he gave it gas. You notice that?
Yep.
I mean,
Quiet down.
yeah. So it might not be a lifter sound. I don't know, but that speaker, I like hearing stuff, but that's getting on my nerves right there. All that back noise. He just started doing that. There's a different one. That white Charger just went. That's a new one today. That wasn't here before. This little creation here, I don't know what it is. A Nissan maybe? Am I right, guys? I'm not great with the new ones. You guys know that. But give me an old one. I'll bounce around a year before or after if I don't get right on it. Goes. He's got the clear. sounding Corvette there. They always put a great show on. Here they go. That sounds like a good run. Go back and listen to the radio and see what it says. Here's the speed, guys. Goes the minivan again. First run after lunch break here on Saturday. Waiting on the clear. And I'm trying to stay steady. I forgot my tripod. I've got a little one, but not my good one. Here he goes. He's released to go. Sounds like a good run so far. Good shifting. No cutouts, no hesitations. 180. $192 at the mile. 192. Waiting for the clear. Matt Duran did his best yesterday in 180s, closer to 190. Thinks it's about all the bike could do right now, stock, new Suzuki, but with a little bit of gearing and a little work, he said it could easily get over 200. Fastest he ever went, and he's 64 years old. Pretty darn cool. He usually has the rest of the events I've been here, the last 4, he's had a Yamaha 2-cycle bike. It's went over 130 miles an hour. He's going, sounds like he's going for the long haul. Let's hear what he got now. An announcer. $176 is the mile. Crosswinds are real bad, he was saying. Crosswinds. They gave him the clear. Good clear shifting. No hesitations. Let's hear what he did. $170 at the half. Just went 152 in his brand new, it's a Beamer BMW 340 something. Sorry about that. But he's a young guy. His dad did it yesterday. Now he's doing it. Gotta be early 20s at the oldest. There he goes. And 152 is the max they can get without tuning the car. Very impressed. Good guys. Good bunch of people right there. Father and son, I'm taking it. Probably. I'll need to ask, but that's what I'm guessing. He's teaching the son how to do it right instead of doing it in a parking lot. Donuts like some of these youngsters do on videos. Let's hear what he did. I think he just did the same. Wow. Sounded mean just a second ago. Nobody's here, not very many, so there's a handful here, literally a handful. A couple motorcycles and about 5 cars. It just keeps on running and running. They're getting their money's worth. They're happy about it. There it goes. Mean. $173 at the half. $204 at the mile. They went 198 in their last run, so they're very happy, I'm sure. Cuts clear. Good takeoff.
John Bader on the go.
John Bader getting it.
18 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1.
You heard it, guys.
At the half, 193.382.
Oh man, he's going 200.
3/4, 216.450.
Oh my gosh.
233.402 at the mile.
233.
242 at the 2K.
242 at the 2K. Golly. 240.
So quiet when he takes off in this Lucid electric car. Going over 200 miles an hour. Let's see what it'll do today. No motor, just the wheels going down the road.
Time to go on the 23 Lucid Dream Edition.
Dream Edition. Let's see what it does.
166.052 at the half, 169.492 at the 3/4, 170.8 at the mile.
What did he do in the 2K? 170 at the mile. GTR getting ready to take off. Beautiful color, two different colors on blends in. Totally two different colors from side to side. Waiting on the clear. Got the clear. Oh yeah, sounds good.
Kurt Howell on the go in the purple 2014 Nissan
Bert Howe.
GTR. 172.877 at the half.
It's gonna be a good one.
187.891 at the 3/4. 198.939 at the mile.
Almost 199 at the mile.
205.
205 at 2K. 200 mile an hour club guy now.
Michael Bruce on the go in his 01 Corvette. 169.811 at the half,
Cool.
185.720 at the 3/4, 199.734 at the mile,
Almost 200,
and
man.
206.422 at the 2K.
Cool, 206. Goes the BMW, maxing it out around 152 in the mile. Nothing, 2023 BMW, nothing done to it either. No tuning or nothing, he said. 2009 and newer, you don't need all the roll cage and stuff. You can just wear your fire suit and you're good. Let's see what he does. Okay. Let's hear what he says. While the GTR is waiting. Didn't come across the speed on the radio. Huh. Yeah. Radio ain't coming over the radio again.
Kurt Howell out of the starting line, driving his purple Nissan GTR. 171.625 at the half.
Cool.
187.110 at the 3/4.
Better.
199.115 at the mile.
Did 205 at the last 2K.
No 2K.
Huh. Something messing up.
Top one. I don't think he was Joel.
Yeah, he just told me he was coming and getting dressed. That's why I thought it was him. He'll be here. He's coming now. Yeah, I knew he's coming. I didn't look. We'll see what car it was. His first run, isn't it? Is this his first run?
He ran this yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. Here you go. Here goes electric. Tesla. All you hear is the tires. It's so weird. It's hard to explain because it ain't a burnout until you hear it. It's what every car does. You just don't see it or hear it. The sound of it on the pavement. Got 18-year-old Joel coming. Today's his first day. Earlier he went 152, which is max in this little BMW. $141.5. 165 at the mile. Here comes 18-year-old. What's his name, Josh? Oh, okay. I thought you called him Josh. Isaac. 18-year-old Isaac. Today's his first day, too. Well, 152, which is max on this car. Without no chips, no nothing, the 2023 BMW. Here he goes. Listen to that 6. That's pretty cool. You buy a car, you can come and do 150. Other ones are doing 200, but this ain't a Corvette or a muscle car. It's supposed to be just a family car. See the man behind the show. Our famous announcer, man. Makes me think I'm at NHOR event or something. He does so darn good.
You know, but you join a place like the National Teambuck Alliance, they can help you out a lot. Yeah.
What'd he just do?
151 in the mile.
Cool, man. Today's his first day and he's 18 years old, you know. He did it earlier. You know, I think it's like his 4th run today. Yeah, he's 18 years old.
And today's his birthday.
No, I don't know how old, but he's 18. But he came with the guy, I can't think of his name, but he did yesterday and showed him. And today he's been going with him. Today, that was his first time by himself without him even being in the car with him.
That is very
18 years old, yeah.
Thanks for telling me that.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We'll throw it in on the next run or something he does or something. Yeah. Isaac is his name, Isaac.